it's doing it again. I turned the fucking TV off and it turned itself back on. Turn off. Turn off. Okay, it's off. It's off. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. It's off. It's fucking off. We're gonna sit here and watch this together. This is mine. Just found it. Gifted it today. Yes. It's great. Watch it. See? It did it again. It did it again. The only way for me to get this thing to turn off when I turn it on is to turn all of this off. Oh, shit. But this is charging right now. You watched me turn it off. Now, if the remote wants to work, come on. I'm too tired for this. But I just caught it on camera. So now you know what I'm fucking talking about. Curfew's in like 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna sit out here in the common area because I still have my Twinkie Twink that I have. So I'm gonna let my headphones charge so I can listen to my frequencies and my music while I rest so it doesn't bother my roommate. But I'm gonna have to turn the power back off. That's the only way for me to get it to actually turn off and stay off. Otherwise, it starts glitching out as you witnessed. Because I now have that on camera also. A lot of supernatural stuff is happening, and I'm manifesting a trip to Greece, so cheers, bitch. Also, I have a Starbucks mug because I'm a star and I get to Starbucks. Also, this is the image of a goddess. Energy shifting, catching it on camera. What can I say, my dudes, except hey, hey, namaste. Cheers, bitch. You see the energy shifting? Can you feel it?